Welcome back to the channel. Dow falls for 4th day straight. Nasdaq falls 10% from November high. We are in correctional territory. It is pretty rough on the market. It's across board. Nasdaq is trading below 200 moving average. At this point, anything can happen. VIX is as high as 23.6. 10 years yield rose to 1.86. It is no longer about tech sell-off. Nowhere to hide. It's across board. Stocks with no earnings, stocks with no result, stocks with no with high PE ratio, stocks with nothing to show for. This is not the time to be in those stocks. You have to be value oriented. This is the time that value matters most. Stocks with good results, stocks with good earnings. Value stock matter now. There are still opportunity out there. You can still see stocks with good results. You can still research, select the right stock. This is the time that value matter most. Goldman Sachs profit down by 13%, missing on consensus estimate. This is no time to be in meme stock. This is no time to be in stocks that have no value. Have a look at the chart. Let's have a look at Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and the VIX. We are looking at Dow Jones chart. This chart is on a Chart Smp platform. We are looking at weekly chart. You can see this is a beautiful chart. Well, what you can see is that it's actually trading below 50-day moving average. That's on a weekly chart. Let's look at the daily chart. Dow Jones is not as down as Nasdaq and S&P 500, but it shows that it's trading below 50-day moving average. Let's look at comparison between the three. Then I think the Momo platform is more detailed, so for the benefit of new traders and other viewers, I think I would go on the other platforms so you can be able to see and understand more. We are looking at Nasdaq on the Momo platform. This is a live trade. The market is still open. We are looking at weekly chart for Nasdaq. You can see on a weekly chart, Nasdaq is on 50 moving day average. Let's go on a daily chart. On a daily chart, Nasdaq is trading below 200-day moving average. This is correctional territory. Correctional territory below 200 moving day average. Let's check the percentage. It has fallen from November high. This is exactly, it's more than 10%. In fact, 10, yeah, this is about 10% from the high, from November high. So Nasdaq is in correctional territory. Let's look at S&P 500. The market seems to be a little bit green now. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, we're looking at daily chart S&P 500. S&P 500 is not as down as Nasdaq, but it's also trading below 50-day moving average. Let's look at the weekly chart. Beautiful. Look at it. We're in the bull market. Yeah, so this correction is actually normal. It's normal, but we are freaking out because it's down 4% from January to date, but the market we're still in a bull market. This is an uptrend. Let's go back to daily chart. Let's check the percentage from the high. I think it's should be about 4%. Yeah, 4.5, about 4.5% from the high. So we're still, you know, in the bull market. Let's look at the VIX. The VIX. The VIX. Okay, I think the VIX. I'll tell you more about the VIX. The VIX is an index that measure how people feel about the market. The VIX. Okay, earlier the VIX was to 23, so it's coming down now. As you can see, we begin to have some. It beginning to come down. Earlier it was 23.67. Now it's 22. The VIX. Whenever the VIX is green, the market usually red. When the VIX is down, the market is slightly up, depending on the percentage. Look at it. Now we are seeing red in the VIX, and the market is slightly green. You can see Dow is still red, Nasdaq is green, S&P is green. So the market react opposite of the VIX. The VIX is the index volatility index. It's the measure of how people feel about the market, how the reaction of the market, the sentiment of the market. Let's have a look at some stocks that are okay. You can see AT&T. AT&T is a little bit high. Okay, well, on AT&T is going up. This is a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend. We can also see among the list here, you can see Twitter is 38. Twitter is actually down. Twitter is actually, let's check. Twitter is down for about 47% from the high. Wow, 47% from the high. AMD, Alibaba is green today, at least for now. This is Alibaba. Alibaba has fallen over 60% from the high. Let's go on a weekly chart for Alibaba so I can measure. Oh, okay, well, see, Alibaba was trending down. Let's just measure from the high. I think the high is 319 or so. Okay, let's have a look. Alibaba 67%, 66% from the high. Alibaba should be a bargain for anyone looking to add to their, but do your evaluation. Be sure that you are convinced of adding Alibaba to your portfolio. It's a Chinese stock, but yeah. You have AMD, you have Splunk. Splunk has actually been down for, let's have a look. Splunk from 225. Splunk has been down for more than 50% from the high. So the market is, we're seeing some little bit green today, 19th of January 2022. But with Nasdaq, we are in correctional territory. Alphabet, beautiful trend. Beautiful. So you need to make your decision whether you want to add some of these stocks to whether it's a good time to add to your portfolio. These are big tech stocks: Adobe, Netflix, BlackRock, Shopify. Well, profile is pretty down. Amazon, do your valuation. Be sure if it's okay, if the price is okay for you, if you're keeping it as a long-term value investor, or you want to trade it on a daily trade or swing trade. Look at this chart of Amazon. This is a beautiful chart. I think it's on a support. This has been consolidating within this range. Yeah. Anyway, we continue to watch the market to see what the VIX is telling us. Interest rate is hiking. So on the Fed, the VIX, the Fed technically is in charge. So we are all waiting for waiting to hear from the Fed. We have seen what the chart is saying. Is it a good time to buy the dip? Maybe yes, maybe no. Do your analysis. Remember, cash is actually trash. You can't sit on the sideline forever. Dollar cost averaging is still the preferred way. However, we are now in correctional territory on NASDAQ. Don't try to time the market. Timing the market is not the solution. Value is the key. Stocks with good earnings, stocks with good result. Now you can search, you can find good stocks even when the markets are falling. You can see some stocks like Lockheed Martin, Ford, AT&T, and some other cyclical stocks are still doing well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, share with your friends. We will continue to make videos that would give value to your time. We will continue to make good videos that will educate you on your investment journey. Thank you. Please come again.